What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be installing the upper torque motor mount. This is from a 2.0 manual. I bought it from, what's it called? Some Honda parts store, Honda Parts Direct, yeah. But I feel like all of them come used a bit, but
it looks used, but the bushing looks fine.
It looks used, but
it looks fine.
Everything's fine. But yeah, this will go right, this will replace this. This is like cheap shit. And then this is the good shit. And for this install, you're gonna need a foot-pound torque wrench and a 15 millimeter. So yeah.
Alright
guys, so first you need to loosen these two bolts. They're 15 millimeters. So that is tighten.
Twenty minutes later.
Look at this cheap shit.
Chuck it.
Alright, this install is fairly easy. So this longer part is gonna go towards here, at that side. So yeah, it's pretty noticeable. Small, long. Alright. So just replace everything from the factory. Basically, oh yeah, you can know because this washer would be bigger than this washer. This one's the one that goes here. This one's the one that goes here.
Okay, let me.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, to line it up better, you should put the back one first, because when you put the front one, the back one doesn't really line up. So yeah, like put it halfway and then adjust the front and then put the front in. You should be good. And then you could just hand tighten this. And then you're gonna take the torque wrench, put the 15 on it. And what you're gonna need to do, you need to set the foot-pound to 52. Then you just taut it. You should hear it click when you're finished tightening it.
There you go.
Okay. There's one click.
Check it again.
Let's go.
There you go.
We're done.
It's pretty easy.
Alright guys, the whole reason you put this on is I heard you get less wheel hop and also you do get slightly more torque. So we'll test it out. We'll see. We'll tell you guys an honest opinion.
That's from a 2.0 manual, right?
Yeah. Alright, so to test it out, I'm just gonna launch it from the start and then I'll see how it is from like shifting down, shifting up.
Go.
Much better.
Yeah, it does feel better.
It feels much better. I felt that right away. I'm not gonna shift on this one, just normal sport. guys, I heard a lot complaints about how the car vibrates when you change the motor mounts or any of that. I know the 62As from Hasports, they vibrate a little bit more, and then the more you go, the more it vibrates. This one feels basically stock. It doesn't vibrate on idle or anything. It's actually very smooth when you drive too. So yeah, if you don't want vibrations and you want a better ride, get the manual 2.0.
Manual 2.0 motor mount.
Actually, get the manual 2.0.
Go get the manual 2.0. Go return your fucking 1.5 and go get the manual 2.0.
But yeah.
Alright guys, after you put the motor mount on, the top one, you could see that the motor doesn't move as much. I mean, it still does a little, that's normal. But like from before, it used to move a lot, but look at what it does now. Barely any motor movement.
Yeah.
Barely.
No, it actually feels really nice. It was worth, how much was it? Like 70?
70 bucks?
I forgot. Yeah, somewhere around there. But it's a very cheap, nice mod you could do. But yeah, after this, steering wheel.
Oh yeah. Oh,
You
let's
guys want to see it?
yeah. Let's show a preview.
Show a preview.
Sneak peek. So let's show them what you have right now.
Oh yeah.
So this is basically the stock steering wheel. We just wrapped it, but from where again? What's the company?
Easy detailing.
Right. We'll leave a link down below because they make really good products.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's
So
really
basically,
good.
when it comes, you have to wrap it and then stitch it yourself. It's not that hard. It's just time consuming. This suede feels really good. I highly suggest getting this if you don't want to go all out and get the carbon fiber
This
one.
only costs what, 65 bucks?
Yeah, literally best $65 you'll ever
Bucks,
spend.
or something.
It feels so much smoother, and it's basically like a driver mod, and you see it every fucking day.
But
But whip it out.
alright, before I open this, I got this from IS Auto Group on Instagram, so make sure to check them out. They have steering wheels for like mostly every car. Every car. Oh yeah. Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Nah.
You gonna tease them and not even show it? Nah, okay. They've probably always seen this before. Alright. So it looks. It's a
Oh.
flat bottom, carbon fiber, perforated leather. Fucking fire. If you haven't noticed, they have indents on the back too for your
grips.
fingers, you know?
That's nice.
It's hella nice.
That's nice. Look at the quality of the carbon. It's so light too. I just want to throw it.
It just feels so good on you. I really want to put this in.
Well, next video. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also check out our Instagrams. Our group Instagram is autonomous. It's _autonomous_. Mine is la_record. Safins is
Something.
sa_z with 2 E's and then underscore. And then, yeah, should I shout out his thing?
Nah.
He hasn't been editing. It's Izzy Stang.
It's fine.
But yeah, make sure to check us out, and then we should be good.